I made this new Ludo game in Sketchware. Let's check it. This Ludo app have two versions. We are currently looking at the Play Store friendly version, which you can publish on Play Store without any fear of getting rejected. Because I have already been rejected 2 times while publishing this app on Play Store. So I know that this version is Play Store safe because now it's available for download on Play Store. In Play Store version of this app you cannot add coins by paying money. So I added a feature where you can watch ads and get 50 coins. In the original version you can just buy coins from admin or app owner. This is the first Ludo game app which is completely made in Sketchware. All features from welcome screen to Ludo game board, everything is made in Sketchware. You can download both original version and Play Store version of this app. Also you can contact me on Telegram if you are interested in buying this apps and projects. All links are available in video description. Now let's play a game of Speed Ludo. This is called Speed Ludo because it's much faster than normal Ludo. Instead of 4 players with 4 pointers, Speed Ludo have only 2 players with only one pointer. So the game is fast and more fun. This also makes sure that both players have 50% chance of winning the game. Like this video, subscribe the channel and download the apps from link in the description and contact me on Telegram for project of this apps.